Well, good morning, everybody. Today, the market is closed in honor of former President Jimmy Carter. A very good man. I don't care what side you're on. If you don't think Jimmy Carter was a good human being, you're wrong. Anyways, so I just wanted to jump on here, make a quick video, and tell you all what a huge idiot I am. I made an enormous mistake the other day, and I'm not sure some of you caught it, but yeah, we're yesterday's video, or should be airing this morning, but anyways, about the huge mistake I made with AMD. And at first, I quickly thought that, oh, because the market turned immediately after I entered the positions, that was kind of the reason for the loss. And no, it's even simpler than that. I made a huge mistake because I was hastily trying to enter a poor man's covered call. And you guys know that I bought the long-term call for September at the 115 deep in the money strike price. And then I turned around and I sold a 125 put for January 31st. That's the mistake. I was just in a hurry. Like I said, I wasn't anticipating making the trade. I had not planned out the trade. And on top of that, this trade is too big for this account size. So I was in the wrong all the way around here. And the biggest problem is it's a poor man's covered call, not a covered put. So I should have turned around and sold a sold a call against this leap. So, anyways, yeah, let's just, I've got took a screenshot here of where we were at that point in time while this is right out of the video, and while we were selecting the put to sell, which I believe we ended up going with the 125 put here, ended up getting it for $2. But yeah, I should have been opposite corner of the screen. I needed to be in the calls and I needed to be above the in the money line here. So I should have been in turn taking most likely the 130, 135, I would say would probably be the right delta. I mean, I would want to be into 30, 35 delta down here. So I probably would have collected in the same range of $2, but I would have been on the right side. I would have been playing that strategy correctly. And then what would have happened is as the market dropped, that covered call would have increased in value to help offset some of the stock price drop. So, yeah, I just want to jump on here and be as transparent with you guys as I can. I do make mistakes. I've told you before, I'm not a professional. This is a learning experience for me, and the videos are here to help keep me accountable. And if they help some others, that's fantastic. But this is here to try and build a small community to help each other, and I really expect you guys to hold me accountable. And if you see me make a mistake, call it out. I'm not afraid to admit when I'm wrong, and I was definitely wrong here. Now the funny part is that we've actually rolled this. So to be honest with you, in order to get even on the selling part after the leap, this needs to get up to roughly $200, basically. So I don't know if that's going to happen. AMD may have a chance to recover up into the mid to high 20s, boost us back up, but the market's closed today, so there's not a whole lot of reason to think about it. I'm just going to get on here first thing in the morning, Friday morning, and try and manage this mistake the best I can. It may very well cost me a bunch of money at this point. The leap is already down 452. That's not a real problem because that's a September call, so we're not extremely worried about that. So the immediate loss is the $200 we lost on the first put, and then we rolled it. So we're down about $195 right now. Whether I just take that loss and move on, I might do that. I may give this a couple days to see if I can recoup some of this money before getting out of this trade, closing this trade, and then moving into the proper covered call. Third option would be to wipe the AMD position entirely out of this account, uh, mark it up as a learning lesson, and if I want to do this trade, push it into one of my larger accounts that can handle uh, that kind of position size a little bit better. But quick video, basically needed to admit to y'all that I screwed up. So, as usual, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.